Wahid stands tall and neat, just like a pencil, straight and sweet. If at 9, like bunny ears, hopping around without any fears. The lot of thoughts you'll find lined, like little shapes so nicely aligned. Our legs on a chair so steady, ready to sit, always ready. Thumbs soft, fingers on one hand, let's clap together, isn't it grand? Sit a wings for the busy bee, flying around so happily. Sabah colors in the sky so bright, a rainbow shining, what a sight. The money legs on a spider's web, spinning it round before going to bed. Balloons flying high, floating gently through the sky. Ashara, fingers yours and mine, let's count together one more time. Come and learn these numbers with me, from MuallimKids, fun as can be.